Hey, I'm Professor Solo. If Flexbox ever feels unpredictable, it's not actually broken. You just might be missing part of the mental model. This next concept, flex direction and axes, explains most alignment confusion. Let's fill them in, Watts.
Ever tell Flexbox to center something and it centers totally the wrong way? Yeah, let's talk axes. See, by default, everything lines up in a nice clean row, left to right. Simple enough, right?
But that confusion, it just means you and the axes aren't on speaking terms. So let's fix that. Okay, so Flexbox is a one-dimensional layout system. You just pick one primary direction. That's it.
Everything else, that's the cross-axis. It just kind of comes along for the ride.
So if your main axis is horizontal, the cross axis is vertical. You spin one, the other follows.
Flexbox is always asking two things. Where does stuff go on the main axis and on the cross axis? You're in control with flex direction. Think of it as the steering wheel for your layout.
You've got 4 choices. The default is row. It just runs left to right.
Then there's row reverse. It, flips the whole thing to run right to left.
Next up, column. This stacks all your items from the top straight down.
And you guessed it, column reverse runs from the bottom up. Each one completely resets the stage.
All right, here's the part that gets everybody. Justify content, that's only for the main axis.
So in a row layout, justify content is all about horizontal space.
And align items handles the vertical stuff because it works on the cross axis.
But flip to a column and the whole thing swaps. Now justify is vertical and align is horizontal.
So something's centering the wrong way. You've got the right property, just on the wrong axis.
Once this clicks, layouts get so much easier. Horizontal navs are just rows, side menus are columns.
So remember, direction first, then alignment. Seriously, no more guessing.
The rules are simple. Direction picks the main axis. Justify follows that axis. And align follows the cross.
Choose your direction on purpose. Flexbox will stop surprising you and start obeying you. For real.
P.S. Keep learning.
That mental model is everything. Once we understand how direction defines the layout axes, alignment is no longer try it and see. Next up, we'll take a closer look at justify and align, the levers we'll use constantly. Full Flexbox series is in the WebDev TNT playlist.